Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to get right into the crypto news. Bitcoin may suffer deeper drop below this price average. A weekly close Sunday below the 12-week exponential moving average EMA currently sitting at 9,940 could yield a deeper drop to levels below 9,000. Personally, I would be very much happy with that drop. It gives me a chance to accumulate some more Satoshis at a cheaper price. Not that 10,000 is bad by any means, given where it's gonna go in the future, and I am sure you guys know where it's gonna go in the future. But yeah, if it fell below 9,000, I would be very happy and ready to accumulate more. The slide below the 12-week EMA, if any, could recharge engines for a break above June's high of 13,880, historical data indicates. Bitcoin risks falling to levels below 9,500 if prices end the day below the 100-day moving average at 10,025. A weekly close Sunday above 12,000 is needed to revive the bull market, which I do agree, but like I said, I would not be complaining at all if it dipped down to 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000. I might start worrying like what the hell's going on, but 7, 8, 9, I'm cool with that. I'm ready to accumulate some more. The Bitcoin price rally has stalled over the last 9 weeks, and the cryptocurrency could suffer a deeper pullback if newfound support at 99.40 is breached. The top cryptocurrency by market value broke into the bull market in the first week of April and tripled in value by rising to 13,880 on Bitstamp at the end of June. But yes, like I said, I'm okay with the pullback, but obviously, we want to see some gains. But hopefully by the end of the year, we should be above the all-time high of around 20,000. Moving on. Judge confirms ruling Craig Wright to forfeit 50% of Bitcoin holdings. A corroborating order has been filed in Craig Wright's sanction and contempt hearing. In a court document published Tuesday, which is today, Magistrate Judge Bruce E. Reinhardt confirmed that Wright, the self-declared inventor of Bitcoin, must forfeit half his crypto mined prior to 2014 to Ira Kyleman, as well as half his intellectual property. Additionally, Wright is ordered to pay the attorney fees related to expenses incurred in this motion. So I'm sure you guys have seen the story, Craig Wright claiming he's Satoshi, and he's been trying to prove it in court. I know a few days ago he uploaded the white paper of Bitcoin onto some form. I forget where exactly he uploaded it at, but it's just, I feel like, I don't know, he's fighting a losing battle. Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, last week had said that the only way a person can prove their Satoshi is that they go back to the Genesis block and write it in the code, or something along those lines. Alright, the ongoing trial began in 2018 when Kyleman, the brother of Wright's late business partner Dave Kyleman, sued for half Bitcoin holdings in the so-called Tulip Trust, alleging that Wright defrauded the family's estate. Magistrates said Dr. Wright and David Kyle, am I saying that name right? Kyleman entered into a 50-50 partnership to develop Bitcoin intellectual property and to mine Bitcoin. 2. Any Bitcoin-related intellectual property developed by Dr. Wright prior to Kyleman's death was property of the partnership. 3. All Bitcoin mined by Dr. Wright prior to David Kyleman's death, the partnership's Bitcoin, was property of the partnership when mined. 4. Plaintiffs presently retain an ownership interest in the partnership's Bitcoin and any assets traceable to them. So yeah, basically, from what I've read, Craig Wright has to give half of his Bitcoin over to Kyleman. And I guess the biggest concern right now is, what is Kyleman going to do with the Bitcoin? Is he going to hold it? Is he going to dump it? Like, say he dumped, because it's 500,000. That's how many Bitcoins he's getting, which is insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is that, like half a billion? That's insane. So if he does dump it all at the same time, I'm sure we can expect a crash down to at least 5,000, maybe 6,000 lower. Hey, I got my buy orders ready to go just in case. So bring it on. Bring it on, Kalman. All right, cryptocurrency mining farm Argo blockchain increases its hash rate. Cryptocurrency mining firm Argo Blockchain is reportedly increasing its hash rate as the company's stock prices soar. United Kingdom-based business news outlet Proactive Investors reported on August 27 that crypto mining company, I just read that, is expanding its mining capabilities after its stock price registered a sharp increase in the past months. Per the report, the firm owns 7,025 machines that it mostly uses to mine Bitcoin, but it has already ordered more hardware. That is insane. 7,000, wow. This month, Argo has signed a deal to increase its electricity supply by 357%, which would be enough power for an additional 15,000 machines. Oh my God. That many machines would take the company's hash rate to 1,360 petahashes and allegedly make it the largest public listed miner. That is insane. In July, Argo reportedly mined 163 Bitcoin valued at $1.655 million at press time. Holy cow. I just want to mine one Bitcoin right now. I'll be cool with that. I've thought about getting into mining, but I feel like I'm too late to the game, you know? I mean, the GPU prices are insane. The ASIC miner prices are insane. I feel at this point it's just easier to buy Bitcoin. A lot less work. All right, this operational gearing is very important as we triple our mining capacity over the next 2 quarters with no significant increase in non-mining costs. Yeah, wow. Yeah, you see these big companies, big institutions coming in, you know, just buying up all the Bitcoin. That's why if you have Bitcoin, just hold it. Just hold it. Don't worry about, you know, it drops 500, 600,000. Don't worry. It's going to go back up. Trust me. Not financial advice, but trust me. All right, moving on. Unconfirmed, but 8 institutions to get China's digital currency first. Oh, wow. So we had heard that China was coming out with their own digital currency. And in the video I did yesterday, what was the other bank? It was in England. I forget, but there was, oh, Swiss. Yes, Swiss bank was coming out with their own digital currency. So eventually all the countries I believe will come out with their own digital currency, but we still want Bitcoin, Litecoin, um, eventually Cardano, all these decentralized currencies rather than these currencies from these countries that are going to be centralized and they will track everything that you're doing. All right, so according to sources, the People's Bank of China is giving its first round of central bank digital currency CBDC to online retail giant Alibaba, internet giant Tencent, 5 banking organizations, and one unknown entity. Forbes reported the news on August 27. The sources named are Paul Schultz, who previously worked as the head of the China Construction Bank, and an anonymous individual identified as a part of China's CBDC project. According to Schultz, the first beneficiary of China's CBDC are Alibaba, Tencent, China Construction Bank, and the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, the Bank of China, the Agriculture Bank of China, and Chinese Banking Association Union Pay. So you guys see, it is already happening. You know, these countries we're moving into the digital age where everything may just be tokenized. Wow. Let's see. DCEP may arrive before Libra. I don't know if Libra is gonna happen at this point. You know, I mean, but you still see articles or news coming out that Facebook is still working on Libra or trying to get lobbyists to petition for Libra. So, but we'll see with that. But yeah, Swiss, now you got China. Who's next? I'll say England, since I remember reading a few days back The governor of the Bank of England said that they wanted to come out with a digital currency that would replace the US dollar, which is insane in itself. But Brave browser, I am using Brave browser. If you guys have not used Brave browser, you definitely need to check it out. It is amazing. This is Brave browser you see on my screen right now. But yeah, you get VAT tokens for, you know, watching ads that pop up. You click the ads and say there's a person who is participating in this Brave browser. You can tip them VAT tokens. Say they're on YouTube, Twitter, Reddit. So let's see. Brave browser announces development of crypto wallet for Ethereum and BAT. All right, let's see. Brave discussed their work so far in a blog post on August 27. According to the announcement, the in-browser wallet support Brave's native ERC20 basic token, BAT token, alongside other Ethereum-based tokens and collectibles and the Ether itself. Excuse me. Additionally, the wallet supports interaction with decentralized applications known as dApps, which reportedly makes Brave a Web3 browser. However, the wallet cannot interact with Brave rewards. This means the user cannot transfer any BAT between Brave rewards and crypto wallets. The name of Brave's wallet in development. The users are currently responsible for managing keys themselves, and Brave recommends that users stick to small amounts and keep regular backups if they want to try out the trial version of the crypto wallets. According to the announcement, Brave plans to add means of transferring between Brave rewards and crypto wallets. I've been waiting for this. I mean, I understand we're supposed to get these instead of watching ads and, those ad companies getting paid. We're getting paid. And the way I see it, I mean, I guess I would do it too. I'm gonna transfer my Brave tokens out of this wallet onto an exchange. I may sell it for some other crypto. I'm just being honest. So maybe that's why they're kind of, been holding off. But that's what I see everyone doing. Like, you'd be crazy not to. But who knows? Hey, Brave, BAT token might blow up one day, be worth, a couple $100. Then we all gonna be banging our heads. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Yes, I see Brave also unveiled that it now supports BAT tipping on Reddit, Vimeo. You can also do it on Twitter. So very cool, and of course on YouTube. So, but that person on YouTube has to be a Brave Rewards verified user. Moving on. All right. US SEC chairman says the rules won't change for cryptocurrencies. Look at him, looking all evil. United States Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Jay Clayton says he won't make exceptions in security laws for cryptocurrencies, but he won't stand in their way either. Bloomberg published an interview with Jay Clayton on August 27. According to Clayton, he has no desire to change security laws, either to include or exclude digital assets for regulations. In his own words, I think a lot of people get excited that somehow we would change the rules to accommodate the technology, and they invested their time and effort thinking that would happen. I have been pretty clear from the start that ain't happening. I don't know. I'm not too familiar with how securities work, but I know the ICOs. I guess a lot of the ICOs were securities, and I've also heard Tron is a security. But anyways, moving on. However, Clayton does not view himself to be as being anti-innovation or against good digital payment options per se. He further said, if we have a way to reduce cost of payments internationally through technology, I am all for it. But you can't sacrifice basic principles of security laws and other law to allow it to happen. His views on Bitcoins and ICOs, Clayton remarked that he does not view all cryptocurrencies as being identical. He does not consider Bitcoin, for instance, to be a security. However, he remarked that the SEC has determined many initial coin offerings, ICOs, to be fit for security regulations. Additionally, he reportedly has found multiple ICO white papers disturbing, saying that they use copied language in phrases like time is running out or get in or get in early and you get 4 times as much value, which raise red flags for regulators. That is hilarious. I did not know that. Okay, I kind of see his concern. The SEC has taken numerous companies to court over misdoings in its course of ICOs. Such proceedings have picked up in recent months. Last week, Cointelegraph reported on a settlement with ICO Rating, a Russian analytics firm that the SEC accused of violating anti-touting provisions. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember reading about Veritasium. All right. Also earlier in August, the SEC successfully requested a freeze on assets belonging to Reginald Middleton and his Veritasium Inc. amid a case alleging that Veritasium's $15 million ICO was fraudulent, and Veritasium took a dump. Let me show you guys. Oh wow, it's actually up today? Wow, okay. Well, let's see. Let me see what day. Earlier in August. I know this was like last week, but as you guys see the price. August 12th, boom. Just crashed. What did it crash to? $5. But it seems to be picking back up, so I assume they cleared that up. I mean, short forecast says buy. All right, let's read this news real quick. Veritasium is challenging the SEC's allegations of unlawful ICO that raised nearly $15 million in 2017 and an attempt to dissipate the company's fund. Let me see. Let me go to the whole article. Yesterday, Middleton made public his company's response to the SEC's lawsuit, a 423-page document that attempts to answer the Commission's allegations that Veritasium conducted an unregistered securities offering and subsequently moved $2 million in an attempt to dissipate the funds after being served with the Wells notice on August 12th. Yeah. Much like the few other cryptocurrency startups such as Kik that are challenging SEC's allegation in court rather than settling their charges. That's good. I mean, especially if they haven't done anything wrong, why should they let the SEC push them around? So I agree with them fighting back. But anyways, that is all the news I have for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please do subscribe to the channel. I currently have 1 subscriber. So if you're out there listening, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, bring you cryptocurrency news, and on top of that, give you my own opinion. But thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.